So here we have an automatic bathroom trash can with 3.8 gallon capacity. This is a rechargeable, touchless motion sensor. It kind of has a slim design. This way you could squeeze it into tight spaces in the bathroom. It has a durable, low volume lid that opens and closes up to 90 degrees. It's the auto sensing button that you just pass your hand over, and you could have hands-free operation with opening, and it closes nice and quiet. And a little surprising to me, it had an automatic air suction port. Now what is that for? Well, once you put the bag inside the trash can, it's kind of flabby and it doesn't really looks a little messy, but the motor goes on, the fan goes on, and it sucks the plastic bag to the sides of the trash can, giving you more capacity and a cleaner, more fitted product. This way it's almost like there's no bag in there. Now this is not only for bathrooms, it could be used for kitchen area, small office, and especially traveling in an RV. This is like the right size for the job. So it opens in 0.3 seconds and it closes automatically after 5 seconds, giving you plenty of time to throw something out and have it covered and you forget about it. And it's a really nice looking trash can. It comes in white and gray. It's rechargeable with this rechargeable port, and it keeps the aromas inside and makes it anti-mosquito, and it's a 360 seal. It's a pretty nifty little thing you could keep in bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, wherever you may need a useful garbage can this size. It just adds smart technology to something simple as a garbage can.